Well, good morning. Welcome back to Ryan M Outdoors, another episode. This time doing some hunting for the first time this fall. So it's towards the end of October and got snow moving in from up north. Should be pushing some waterfowl towards us. Actually on a new body of water, never hunted or fished, so it's pretty small. Give you a quick tour here. Over there's the dam. We're actually set up here on a dike that jets out here. Got our decoys out here as well. A couple mojos, and got a nice blind here set up. So I met Keith halfway here. You know how this body of water goes, so should be good, but don't see any ducks yet. So let's go get some. Gotta have some coffee while you're sitting in the blind on a cold day. Keeps you warmed up. And Mr. Buddy Heater, that also helps too. It's a nice little two-man blind though. Different pieces that come together, and we just put grass on the outside of it and stick them in the webbing of it. So works out pretty nice. Quick update. So far, not much has been flying in the sky, which really surprises me with the cold front coming in. I don't know where they are. We've seen quite a few comrades around here, but no ducks. Maybe one or two, but that's about it. Nothing close to us. So no, we're gonna give it a little bit more time this morning. Been out here for about an hour and a half, and I don't know, maybe they're just waiting to come in. Maybe we'll have more come in here in a little bit. It's not prime time yet. Yeah, it would. If you'd rather stay longer since you did all the grass. Huh?
I'm putting it back in now.
These get pulled up a certain way before you pull it.
You need to shorten loosen that.
Loosen it?
Yep. As short as it'll go.
And then pull up. Huh? Then pull. You got that? Nice. Huh? There's two stakes. Oh, must be then. I've only had two. Oh yeah, because there's one with a pointy end. Yeah, I don't know where that is. Maybe it's in the garage somewhere. Oh, right here.
Well, yeah,
that comes out, and then this just comes off. Yeah, the wings. Yep, just pull them out. What's that? Okay. too far down.
Trying to.
I can go back and get my waders on.
Huh?
I can go back and get my waders on.
Just get loose.
Oh, nothing seems to want to budge.
No.
No, those rocks are budging. God, if you could grab that loop and cable.
That cable is
Stuck, huh? Well,
super strong.
we can get the kayak out. Give me hope. I mean, the kayak is, I can go get it, load up real quick.
Well, yeah, why don't you go get it? I'll start getting all this stuff back to the vehicles.
Well, we got the sled here, so just pack stuff into the sled.
Well,
Huh?
why don't you go get kayak and like I said,
Alright.
I'll get this stuff loaded.
I'm going to take the sled with me.
What?
I'm going to take the sled with this stuff, or do you want it?
No, you're alright. I think I'll be alright.
Okay. There's room for something, but...
Alright, well here, I'll throw these in there then.
Okay.
Where are you bringing it here, or what's your plan?
The kayak?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. It might be easier, I guess, to instead of hauling it all the way over here. If I got to go over and get that duck anyway, might be better to try to. I don't know what the axis is probably similar to what we have here to the water. I guess it'd be better to row against the wind and then come back to get that second decoy. That makes more sense than hauling the kayak all the way over here, blowing it up, and taking it back around.
Sure.
If I gotta get in the water, might as well get in the water over by the vehicles.
Okay. Well, then
Right?
Well, I didn't know if you were coming back here. I was
Right,
gonna wait
right.
for you.
Yeah, maybe that's what we do.
What
So
about vehicles?
let's just all walk together back to the vehicles. Yeah, it's a good idea. Makes more sense.
I have a multi-tool that I'll send with you.
Okay.
Because if you just have to cut it,
Oh.
cut it.
Okay, sure.
Well,
Yep.
I can get new rigging,
Right.
save the decoy, and screw the rigging.
Well, I wonder by coming at it at this angle, over on this side, it might.
You know how sometimes with the fishing pole, if you go the opposite.
Yep, I've done that a lot.
Well, unfortunately, my GoPro died on me, so you guys didn't get to see the end of this video. But I did end up getting in my kayak and taking that across the water to get the last two decoys. The one that we were working on was really stuck in the rocks, but we finally had to cut that out and get that out. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. It was fun getting out there with Keith and getting into our blind and getting out the decoys and playing around with that. But hopefully we'll have better luck next time on a hunting video. And anyway, thanks for watching this. I reached my 300 subscribers, so thanks for all your guys' support. The Outdoor Army is awesome out there, so thanks for watching our videos.